Welcome to another speed race madness. This one was between Ashtown Boys, Ashaman versus Abo Senior High. Like basically they were the two going after each other. It's quite interesting to see the Ashtown Boys in the building. Alright, another speed race madness.
X plus 3 is to 5 equals x minus 2 is to 4.
Should be simple, should be simple.
Ashaman Senior High.
X is equal to
Ashtown.
22.
Yes.
Ashtown Boys, the building.
F of x equals 2x plus 1 and g of x equals
F of
x
G of
plus
X.
3. Find f of
They'll get it wrong.
Abo
You never
Senior
ring
High.
at this point.
That is 2x plus 7.
Incorrect.
Yeah, you never ring at that point for that question.
2x plus 4.
No.
What are you ringing for?
Find f of x plus 1 plus g of x minus 1.
Oh my god. Yeah, for that kind of question, you don't ring at that point because you don't know if the quizmaster is coming to say f of g of x, f of g of 2, f of x plus 1. Like, you can never know. So you have to wait for the quizmaster to say what
Ashaman
the
Senior
f
High.
of what before you ring.
3x plus 4.
That's a trick.
Incorrect. Find the domain of the function y equals 5 divided by the
This
square
one we can
root
ring.
of the expression x squared minus 4x
Yeah, I think this one
above
you can get
senior
it.
high. Elena,
Still calculating.
So that is
No, it's
x
out.
is such that x is a member of all real numbers except s
Is this not wasting
is
time?
not equal to -1 and -3.
incorrect.
Nice try, nice try. Someone says relax. Relax,
Where was
relax.
that? The square
You're ringing
root
too
of the
fast.
expression x squared minus 4x minus 5.
Then my boys, relax.
Ashaman Senior
I
High.
know you have the potential.
X is such that x is greater than 5 or x is less than -1.
Yes.
Ashtown Boys in the building,
10
going for the
seconds.
speed.
In what form does carbon dioxide normally exist in
Gas.
blood plasma?
Just a gas and go. Okay, what form? Maybe like bicarbonate, like
About
HCO3
senior
minus.
high?
Bicarbonate.
Yes.
Yeah. Oh yes.
10 seconds. What name is given to the production of more than one type of spore by S?
Hey, what?
Ashaman Senior High?
Spore formation.
No.
Ashama.
Type of spore, one type of spore by a species.
This is spore formation. Oh boy, Ashtown Boys, no. Why is
Okay,
Malala
so
laughing?
it's heterospory.
Malala is laughing at the Ashtown Boys?
Different types of spores.
You don't
10
like
seconds. What name is given to the uptake of water, solute, or other substances in a plant
Easy.
by active or passive? Ashaman Senior High?
that? Shama, let's go.
Active transport.
Incorrect. Above Senior High?
Translocation.
No.
Hey. Multiplication. Interesting.
Absorption.
Interesting. Now that was just absorption, by the way.
The decomposition of dinitrogen pentoxide follows first order kinetics. If the rate constant is 4.80 times 10 to the power -4,
This is just
what
multiplication,
is the
actually.
initial rate of decomposition when the concentration of N2O5 is
At
0.600 mole per decimeter cube?
Yeah, this is the first order, so don't be so many squares and stuff. Just multiply or divide and pressure. Let's go,
Ashaman Senior
Ashama.
High?
8.0 by 10 raised to an exponent of negative 4 mole per dm cube.
Incorrect.
Incorrect.
Okay.
Okay.
It is 2.88 times 10 to the power negative 4 mole per decimeter cube second. 30 seconds. What volume would 1.40 grams of nitrogen gas occupy at 300.0 Kelvin and 100.0 kilopascal?
I think so far these schools are struggling with this kind of chemistry pressure questions. So I think that's their weakness. They've hit them at their weak point. I don't think they should go for this question at this point. It's not going to help you. Yeah, just avoid the -1 and move on to the next question. Probably the next one will be biology, and then that's your strong point.
1.25 decimeter cube. 30 seconds. What percentage of oxygen is in potassium per manganese? Mn is given as 55.0.
Yeah, at this point, you don't need the molar masses. Yes, you should memorize them by now. If you're coming for the National Science and Maths, you should memorize it.
30 seconds.
Why is everyone so
Find
excited?
the kinetic energy of a particle moving in a circle of radius 2.5 meters when the magnitude of the centripetal force on it is 6.0 Newton. Ashaman Senior High.
7.5 joules.
That is correct.
Shaman.
30
On
seconds.
point.
Find the energy stored by a 100 microfarad capacitor when the potential difference across its plates is 40 years. Above Senior High.
Isn't it a long
So
time
that
to get
is
from above?
1.6 by 10 raised to an exponent of
They've got the
Negative.
exponential.
2 joules.
Incorrect.
Of course, they don't get it.
Ashaman Senior High.
80 millijoules.
80 millijoules. The last
Nice
question
one.
for round 2. Find the vertical component of the velocity of a projectile propelled at 40 meters per second and aimed 30 degrees above. Ashaman Senior High.
20 meters per second.
Yes, that is correct.
Ashtown boys.
And that ends round 2.
Ashtown boys. So yeah, this was another quite interesting round. It was well matched, actually, to be frank. It was well matched. Ashama was coming, Abo was also coming. Like it was very competitive. So quite interesting. This is what we love from a prelims contest. Prelims contest is supposed to be interesting. You know, the guys are basic, so you have to just be going for it. So that was quite interesting. If you watched the video to this point, kindly like, subscribe. There are so much videos on this channel, so much reaction videos, so many interesting parts about the prelims. So make sure to check it out and watch it as well.